Hello, hello.
Nathan's own Mexican.
Did you hit Michael's car? Nope, nope. It's a very nice day today, and we are planning on going crabbing. We're going to go back to that place where they do the tasting, where we went the other day, where it was very windy, but today is not very windy, so that's good. And we're going to have some food there, and then we're staying out until later. Oh, at the moment we're just chilling. Apparently, yeah.
Well, we've got the weather for it, so...
Well, yeah, what more do you need? Oh. Nathan's clearly not played football in a while.
Check out the grass and some cream now. That's the important thing.
I'm pretty sure that guy just does rounds like all day, because he's back over there, like coming back down. He keeps making comments every time he comes back.
Very insincere comment.
Good plan.
Good plan. I'm detecting a bit of sarcasm.
Good plan. Nice.
One of them's got a trick.
Fall through, fall through.
Well, of course you've got that rat or... I know, yeah. You don't even have to... Yeah, but you have to come back in, wash it off. We have to do it. Kind of
They're putting all of that in there. Oh god!
That sounds like it's right next to your ear.
Can they put plastic in with bottles?
I don't know, it must just say recycling on the front.
Well, it's in their hands. The box is away.
Fucking Budweiser's Mark.
Good look at them with their sunglasses on.
Does it just say recycle on the front? I'm gonna say. Well, there was plastic in there.
Yeah, you knew the
You
one.
picked up a plastic bottle and threw it in.
I just thought it meant all bottles and cans.
It does mean all bottles and cans.
Look, there you go. We did it. Did you enjoy that? One of the best experiences.
Right. So the boys are all here now. It's a gorgeous day. I'm so happy the sun is out and it still feels like summer. Here we go, we're going crabbing.
Yeah.
Down this path. And then up there, there's the sea.
Yeah, well, I might have to that. I just done it. Oh yeah, well yeah.
Very busy. What, you want to sit and have a drink?
Yeah.
Perfect. Here we are, ready for some crabbing. I'm totally gonna fall in.
One step at a time.
There you are. few of them. I can't get up there, my shoes are not working. Can't see Richard. So they're all on the thing a while because my shoes are no good. I'm going to find them from above. I'm going on my own little mission. There they are. You can spot them. Where are they? There we are. What a view. It looks like they've got something. He should have took the camera with him. We'll never know. Charlie, what you got? In there? What's in there? Oh. At least I found them when I was over there. I thought, got no chance. Yes, Michael. Oh, what we got?
Show you what you've got.
Oh, big one.
Not too bad. I call him Eduardo, but Nathan's calling him something else. He's called Eduardo.
Oh, he's cool. He's massive. Did he have a massive bit of bacon?
We gave him some, seeing as he's been in here for nearly half an hour now.
Yeah.
He had most of it. There's a little bit left there, but there you go.
Oh, cool.
There's a little shrimp in there as well.
Oh, yeah. What's he called? Monty? Can we call him Monty?
Monty the shrimp. You know what? Yeah, that's what we're calling him now.
Okay. I'm glad I found you. When you were, I just walked all the way around and came over here
Probably
instead.
took the safe away from us.
Yeah. I didn't realise that I could potentially go down there if I wanted to.
You can. It's not hard to climb back down.
Yeah.
It's pretty safe and sound.
But yeah.
Probably wouldn't be quicker to go around and that side that way.
You getting any more?
We tried. We had a good spot where we caught him, but the tide's coming in now, so it's a bit naff
It's a bit dangerous now.
Yeah.
Probably best if you're not stuck down by the
Exactly.
road.
I mean, we're going to come back for dinner, so we don't really want to get washed away.
I'm loving the view though.
It's a nice spot, isn't it? It's a very nice spot.
Cool. Where have you got to put him back? The same place or?
Well, the sea.
The sea.
Sing Under the Sea. Sing it.
Oh.
Probably hates us right now.
So we've moved up a little bit now, a bit further down the beach. I can't actually see where they are from where I've decided to sit, but crabbing round too. Update on the beach lovers. Didn't realise they were quite all the way over there. Because I'm here. I've gone all the way around over here for more crabbing. Oh, it's a gorgeous day. I'm just loving it. I'm loving it. It's a great day. And on a side note, this is just for me. Taylor Swift has just posted something on Instagram, so I'm really excited because new music is coming, but back to regular scheduling. I can't wait to have some pizza later as well. We've got a rapscallion. Oh, going wrong. Rapscallion. And a Nathan. What a view. So we just come from over there. Right, so we've just had an experience where we got changed in the car park. We're walking all the way back to where we just were to have some pizza or whatever people want. You don't have to have pizza, but I'm definitely having a pizza. Yeah. I caught a second crab. 2 crabs. And we are. Right, so here we are. I can't wait. I'm going to get us 2 glasses of water. So we have eaten and now we are going back to the cricket to watch the football. Me and Nathan just needed some money. And we're going to watch Everton win, hopefully.